Hey there, fellow learners. Today, we're delving into a fundamental concept in the world of data structures and algorithms: asymptotic notations. Don't worry if that sounds intimidating. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of big O, big omega, and big theta. Imagine you're analyzing the performance of an algorithm. As the input size grows, you want to understand how the algorithm behaves. That's where asymptotic notations come in handy. They describe the growth rate of functions as inputs approach infinity. Let's break down these notations with examples to make them stick. First up, we have big O notation, often denoted as OFN. It represents the upper bound of an algorithm's running time. In simple terms, it tells us the worst-case scenario, OFN. Consider the scenario where you're searching for a specific element in an unsorted array. The worst-case scenario is that the element is not present, and you'll have to traverse the entire array. This would be represented as ON, where n is the size of the array. Now let's move on to big omega notation, denoted as OFN. This represents the lower bound of an algorithm's running time. It tells us the best-case scenario, OFN. Continuing with our example, the best-case scenario for searching an element in an unsorted array is finding it at the beginning of the array. In this case, the time complexity would be omega, 1, indicating constant time, omega, 1. Finally, we have big theta notation, denoted as Thets Fn. This represents both the upper and lower bounds of an algorithm's running time, providing a tight bound on its performance. The Fn. For our search example, if we were to use an efficient searching algorithm like binary search on a sorted array, the time complexity would be the log n, indicating logarithmic time complexity, the log n. Understanding these notations allows us to analyze algorithms more effectively, choose the right ones for our problem, and predict their behavior as the input size grows. So the next time you're analyzing algorithms or preparing for that coding interview, remember the power of big O, big omega, and big theta notations. And that's a wrap for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow learners. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.